What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cool Product. If you're looking to take your electronics repair or DIY projects to the next level, you've come to the right place. Today, we are looking at the top 5 best soldering station. This list features some of the best options available on the market right now to ensure your joints are clean and your repairs are professional. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the JCD T12 Max soldering station. The JCD T12 Max soldering station is a modern and efficient tool designed for precise electronic repair and soldering tasks. Built with advanced features, it is suitable for both professional technicians and hobbyists who require stable performance and accurate temperature control. Its design focuses on convenience, energy efficiency, and consistent output, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of soldering applications. One of the key highlights of this soldering station is its intelligent PID temperature control system, which ensures highly accurate and stable temperature regulation during operation. This technology helps maintain consistent heat levels, improving soldering quality and reducing the risk of damage to sensitive components. The device also features a wide temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, allowing it to handle various materials and different types of electronic work with ease. For enhanced usability, the JCD T12 Max includes a clear LED display that provides real-time temperature monitoring, making it simple for users to adjust settings precisely according to their needs. It is equipped with an automatic standby and sleep mode, which activates when the tool is not in use, helping to conserve energy and extend the lifespan of the heating element. The station comes with a high-quality JCD T12 Max soldering iron, designed for reliability and efficient performance in repair and assembly tasks. Overall, the JCD T12 Max soldering station combines smart temperature control, user-friendly features, and energy-saving functionality, making it a practical solution for accurate and professional soldering work. Next up, at number 4, we have the Bakon BK212 soldering station. The Bakon BK212 soldering station is a modern, high-performance soldering solution designed for precision work, efficiency, and versatility. Built to meet the demands of both professional technicians and electronics enthusiasts, it delivers stable performance across a wide range of soldering applications. At its core, the BK212 is equipped with 180 watts of power, enabling fast heating and strong thermal recovery. This ensures smooth and efficient soldering even during continuous use, making it suitable for tasks that require consistent heat delivery. Its compatibility with C245 soldering tips adds another layer of flexibility, allowing users to work with a variety of tip shapes and sizes depending on the complexity of the job. One of its standout features is the adjustable temperature control, ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. This wide range allows precise temperature tuning for delicate electronic components as well as more demanding soldering tasks. Whether working on small circuit boards or heavier connections, the station provides reliable control over heat output. The BK212 also integrates smart functionality, including an auto sleep mode that helps conserve energy and extend the lifespan of the heating element. This intelligent feature ensures the station reduces power consumption during periods of inactivity while maintaining readiness for quick reactivation. Designed as a smart and efficient workstation, the BK212 focuses on delivering stability, ease of use, and professional-grade performance in a compact form. It is a practical choice for repair work, DIY electronics projects, and industrial soldering tasks where precision and reliability are essential. Taking the third spot is the Mechanic 957 DW soldering station. The Mechanic 957 DW soldering station is designed as a next-generation precision soldering and hot air rework solution, combining advanced thermal control with a highly stable airflow system for professional electronic repair work. At its core, the device features a low-noise, soft air-out system with adjustable gas flow, allowing users to fine-tune airflow across a wide operating range. This ensures stable and efficient performance while maintaining long service life. The integrated fresh air system delivers hurricane-grade airflow, engineered for strong yet controlled heat distribution. With next-gen turbofan technology, the station achieves ultra-quiet operation, enhanced durability, and superior stability even during extended use. Temperature control is managed through a built-in ceramic heating core that enables rapid and consistent heat rise. The ceramic frame structure helps maintain thermal stability while preventing overheating and dry burning, improving overall safety and longevity of the heating element. The system also includes smart digital temperature control with a precise sensor feedback loop, ensuring accurate readings and stable output. The LED display shows real-time temperature adjustments within a range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for delicate electronics work as well as heavier soldering tasks. For improved usability and efficiency, the soldering station is equipped with a magnetic switch automatic standby function. When the handle is placed on its holder, the air gun immediately stops working and the device enters standby mode, reducing energy consumption and extending component life. The 957DW Plus configuration also includes a standard air nozzle system with 3 different nozzle specifications, providing flexibility for a wide variety of applications. Whether used for microelectronics repair, PCB rework, or general soldering tasks, the system is designed to adapt to multiple working conditions with precision and control. Overall, the Mechanic 957DW soldering station focuses on intelligent temperature management, quiet operation, and versatile airflow control, making it a practical tool for both professional technicians and advanced hobbyists. Coming in at number 2 is the Sugon T3602 soldering station. The Sugon T3602 soldering station is a modern, high-performance tool designed for precision electronic repair and assembly work. Built with advanced engineering, it supports lead-free soldering, ensuring compliance with environmental standards while delivering reliable results for professional and hobbyist users alike. One of its standout features is the clear LCD digital display, which allows users to monitor and control temperature with high accuracy. This precise temperature regulation is essential for delicate soldering tasks, helping to improve consistency and reduce the risk of component damage. The intuitive display makes the workstation easy to operate even for users who require frequent adjustments during complex jobs. The Sugon T3602 also comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, offering multiple soldering tips and additional tools to support a wide range of applications. Whether working on small circuit boards, repairing electronic devices, or handling detailed rework tasks, the included accessories make the station highly adaptable. Designed as a dual-station rework system, it allows simultaneous soldering and reworking operations. This dual functionality improves workflow efficiency, making it suitable for professional repair environments where multitasking is essential. It is especially useful in electronics labs and service centers that handle continuous repair tasks. With a powerful 240-watt energy-efficient design, the station ensures rapid heating and stable performance. This quick heat-up capability reduces waiting time and increases productivity while maintaining consistent thermal output for precision work. It also supports compatibility with tools such as the TS100 soldering iron kit and T3200M systems, adding further flexibility for advanced users. Overall, the Sugon T3602 soldering station combines precision, efficiency, and versatility in one compact system, making it a strong choice for electronics professionals who require reliable performance for both soldering and rework applications.
And finally, our top pick, the Fnirsi DWS-200 soldering station.
The Fnirsi DWS-200 soldering station is a modern high-power soldering solution designed to deliver precision, stability, and efficiency for both professional technicians and electronics enthusiasts. Built with advanced heating technology and intelligent control features, it is suitable for a wide range of soldering applications, from delicate circuit board work to heavier electronic repairs.
One of its standout features is its energy-efficient real-time sleep mode. This intelligent function helps conserve the soldering iron tip's lifespan by automatically reducing power usage during inactivity. It not only improves durability, but also enhances overall operational efficiency, making long working sessions more sustainable.
The DWS-200 offers strong versatility through its multi-handle compatibility, supporting F210 and F245 soldering handles. This allows users to switch between different tools depending on task requirements, increasing flexibility in various working environments. Temperature control is highly adaptable with an adjustable range from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. This wide range makes it suitable for different soldering materials and precision levels, whether working on sensitive electronics or more robust components. With a powerful 200-watt output, the station provides rapid heating performance, significantly reducing waiting time and enabling quick task completion. This high power ensures consistent heat delivery even during demanding soldering operations.
For enhanced user control, the device includes an HD color display along with real-time monitoring features. The dynamic temperature curve mode allows users to observe and adjust temperature behavior with precision, ensuring stable and accurate soldering conditions throughout the process. Overall, the Fnirsi DWS-200 soldering station combines intelligent energy management, strong heating performance, and advanced temperature control in one compact system, making it a reliable choice for modern soldering needs. Time to get those projects finished with precision. Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on these professional-grade stations. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more high-quality tool reviews and tech guides. See you in the next one.